the family! I'm sat in the wet patch again. Oi! Everyone! And today we've got an unwrapping of Bluey stickers! Bluey stickers!
Daddy, put it up.
Oh, hold it! So we've got another unwrapping of Bluey sticker book. You like that book, don't you? Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah. It was a surprise. Yeah, we surprised you.
Oh!
What?
Fine.
Nah. There's a little bit. Yeah, that's why you spilt drink, is it?
No. Over there.
Yeah, you got some scratchy ones in there.
Yep.
Yeah.
Eva.
Who's your favourite?
Eva.
Who's your favourite?
Dog. I think it's there.
Yeah, that's not a scratchy one.
Oh.
Right. Should we get into it? Should we get into it?
Yep.
Yeah? So we'll move that one to the side.
Okay, 1, 2.
So we'll do this.
2.
So would you like to open the first one? Go on then. Let's have a look, shall we? So Daddy tell you here.
Yay!
So let's have a look. So we got
1, 2, 3, 4.
right. So we got a Bluey Snickers.
Never take.
So we'll scratch them up later. So that looks like a Winton. We got a handstand episode.
I had them on.
That one looks like, oh, Lucky. Lucky with the rugby ball. And this one looks like, I'm not really sure actually.
Oh, Teddy! I
Not
love
really
Teddy.
Who's that one? Does anyone remember? Let's have a look. That looks like it looks like a muffin outline.
Oh.
But we'll find out, won't we, after we scratch it out? Any more, or is that it? Is that it?
Oh, I did Teddy.
Right, let's put them together. You want to do the next one?
Yeah.
One here. Watch what you're doing. Okay, who we got now? So we got...
Oh!
So we've got a Queen's episode sticker.
Oh,
You have a look at once we stick them in. And that is another Queen's episode scratch. And Lucy has a bingo.
Oh, I want that one.
No, we have that one. And we've got a Polly doll. Right, so we'll do them in a minute. You're going to unwrap the stickers first.
Yeah.
And there's the bingo.
Oh, I did.
And I know we already had this one, but that was typewriter episode.
And more.
Okay, next one.
The big one. And mommy on that.
Be careful. Be careful. So who have we got now, huh? Okay.
Oh!
Alright, let's have a look.
Dirty. Oh, daddy one then.
Right, so we have got Gnomes, Jeremy, and, oh, who's the other one called?
The boy.
It was Jeremy and another one, I forgot the other name. So who we got here? Who we got here? So that reminds me of the horse.
Oh.
Oh, it's the horse episode. Horsey wedding. Horsey wedding episode. Half sticker. And we got Oh,
Come on.
that's the episode where she gets her code because she keeps on sucking her thumb.
Lemon.
Cone of shame. Cone of shame. And we've got a bird and an ice cream circle sticker.
Ah. Ah.
So what you got there? Oh, charades. We got charades.
It's potato.
Bingo.
Yeah.
Right, so you got to open your last pack
Yeah.
carefully.
I don't dare.
You want to help?
No. Oh my God.
Okay. Right. There we go. Let's have a look. What we got? Oh, got a shiny. Let's have a look, shall we? So we've got. Oh, I think that's the Buddies. That's the Buddies episode where Calypso tells them all to go off to see Buddies.
Oh!
All right, let's see. Wait. Ah, we got a Chloe scratch.
Okay. Oh, that's class.
So what else we got here?
Oh!
Shiny. Oh, nice one.
How about that?
So we got Bluey and Friends, shiny. Right, we've still got two more before we start that.
Oh. No more.
That's 4 sticker packs. Oh, which episode is this one? Oh, Horsey Wedding again. That's the other half. Horsey Wedding. And the last one. Oh, another shiny. That is a Rusty and Indy playing mums and dads. Shiny. Oh, 2 shinies. Good,
Yeah.
good one there, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So what we do?
I don't know.
So now we do the sticker book.
Yep.
Right then. So we go off the shiny. So 173. So go to the back. All the way to the back. Over here. 173.
I did it!
That's X3. But 173.
I did it! Nice. Oh,
No, it's right. It's a stuck page.
up the head.
No, it's in here. It's in here. 173.
Oh.
Right, so we carefully put them in there. Not bad. Okay. 42.
I did
At
it!
the front.
I did it! Oh, I did it, did he?
This one. Next one. 42. The other half there.
And a name.
That's right.
A big one.
Right, carefully gonna put it in.
Yeah.
Try and match it up. Try and match it up. Try and match it up.
Oh.
Like this, look. Like this. Carefully.
Oh, I did. Oh, nice.
Right. Okay, we had it.
That's
So we got a 108.
Eddie.
Shiny. 108.
Okay, sorry.
Oh, no, we got it. We got it. We've got to put it back. So you know what that means? We'll do another collage, don't we? Remember what you did the last ones? You stuck them on paper, didn't you?
Yeah.
Alright, who else we got here? Number 12.
Never need to.
Number 12 right there. Carefully. Okay.
Oh, I did it.
176.
This is.
176.
Oh, I did it.
There. Line them up. Line them up. Line them up like this. 35.
Oh, a little die.
Up there.
I want any more.
Here.
Oh. Yeah?
In there, that's it.
Oh, well, we are night.
3 and 5.
Oh. Oh.
Yes, I can't see. Can you please wait?
I'm
Can you
already.
please wait? I can't see. 108. Sit up properly, please.
And
Got that one.
oh.
40 and 40p.
Oh.
Where'd you find them two? Down there.
I did it.
So you got the ice cream. You got them. Got them already. 117. Wait. Softly. 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 So 117 there. I had to take Teddy to the vet. Had a big boulder of wood fall on his pool. He's okay. Clean pool, antibiotic. Big doggy's okay, aren't we? Yeah?
Like that. Oh.
Yeah, it's a tea. Not the one, please. Right, carrying on.
Yeah. Oh.
So 43. 1 X8.
Oh. I have a honey.
Wait. Not in your mouth.
How hot. You can...
Where's that one got then?
Here.
No. If it's X8, how does that make any sense?
No more. And now, over here.
No, no, because that doesn't make any sense.
There.
Can you not?
Oh, Jordan.
I'm struggling to find one. Well, that one shouldn't be there for a start. Because it's not got a sticker.
Oh no, oh
X8 there.
yeah. Yes, yeah, about that.
162.
Yeah, about that.
Got that one. Right, what's next?
Did
61.
here? Did they? More.
X7. Got that one? 28.
Wow. Wow. Oh my. Whoa.
There.
Wow. Oh. Okay. Are you? Are you, Dad?
Yeah.
Are you?
Done.
Lemon?
Yep. 64.
Yeah, the banana.
Wait.
Huh?
Yeah, got that. 68.
And lemon.
That one.
The big day. And then,
Okay. 135.
no.
Got it.
Mama, No,
You've got it.
no.
You've got it. Okay. Number 19. There. Number 7.
Oh.
Got that? Got it? That's there. Got it. That shouldn't be there then. That's not right. What's the back? What's 7? Oh, there. Alright. Okay. Alright, last one. Hey, don't snatch. Don't snatch. Manners. Number 23. One. There.
Yeah, you put me in the bar.
Okay. So all these are doubles.
Yeah.
And we can make a sticker book out of that, can't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right then.
More.
That's it.
No.
See you in the next one. Bye.